Hello and welcome back to Ocean Controls. Today we're showcasing the KTA-397 SMS LTE controller. The KTA-397 is a versatile monitoring and control device that allows you to manage multiple digital and analog signals via SMS using its integrated I/Os. The KTA-397 is designed to provide seamless remote monitoring and control, all from the convenience of your mobile device. The key features of the unit include up to 10 user-defined controls, including both alarms and actions, up to 10 phone numbers for alarms and an extra 10 phone numbers for control, full support for custom SMS messages for both control and alarm notifications. On the hardware side, it's equipped with 2 analog inputs and 2 analog outputs. Both are programmable to accept 0 to 20 milliamps or 4 to 20 milliamps, and 0 to 5 volt or 0 to 10 volt signals. 2 digital inputs and 4 digital outputs, the digital outputs consisting of 2 relay and 2 open collectors. To configure the device, we can use the locally hosted web page. To access the web page, hold down the button mounted on the PCB right next to the USB-C port for 3 seconds. You can release the button once you see 2 green LEDs. Once the blue LED is blinking slowly, the web page is hosted and we're ready to access. Firstly, connect to the Wi-Fi access point. The default password is password. Once you are connected, open up a web browser and type in this address. On the configuration web page, we have access to the Monitor, Hardware, and Communication tabs. The Monitor tab gives us a live readout of the current status of the device, including I/Os, modem status, and the serial ports. The Hardware tab is where we configure and scale our I/Os and our serial settings. In the Communication tab, we can set up our phone numbers, control actions, and alarms. You can include the phone numbers in these settings here, up to 10 for each, and we can configure our control actions in this section. For example, if I wanted to trigger a digital output upon receiving a message, I can set my control trigger type to message received. My message content is here. And on my action, I want relay 1 to trigger on. So I select internal relay 1, active. If my value here is 0, that means the relay will be on indefinitely until deactivated. If I set this from 1 to 65535, it will pulse for that amount of seconds. You can return to the configs page, and if correctly configured, you'll see your control action will have gone green. That covers the basic configuration method. You can use this or any of the multiple modes the KTA-397 has to offer. For example, if you need a specific trigger mode or any other information that hasn't been offered, please contact us at 03 9708 2390 or info@oceancontrols.com.au.